open up the champagne, pop. It's my house, come on.
Hello, this is Tyler with Robbins Contracting out here at our farmhouse we're framing. Today we're putting a floor on. Alright, so here's Mike and Lance putting down the floor. There's a lot of little tricks to putting down the subfloor. Biggest thing is we want to glue it really good and nail it really good so we don't get squeaks. So step one, glue the piss out of it. Mike didn't want to be a movie star, so we're going to make him a movie star.
Yeah.
So whenever you got a squeaky floor, it's probably because they didn't glue it very good or use the right nails and nail down the subfloor. So we use ring shank nails and glue every floor joist really, really well, which will help the floor from squeaking. Okay, here's the trick. See how good he is. If you're good, you can do a little foot trick and shove the tongue of the plywood right into the groove of the other plywood. Woo! You've done this before. Now you line it up. Make sure this seam is nice and tight. Usually you gotta take a sledgehammer to hit that end in. Mike's so good, he doesn't need the sledgehammer. We just put that sledgehammer in the trailer, I guess, huh, Mike?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna see how well I do at this. That's not good. I need a little practice. Grab the sledgehammer, Mike. We need it over here. So when you suck and you have to use a sledgehammer, this is how you do it. Whoa! One arm. That is not how you do it. We should put this down. Here we go. There. See how good Lance is. See how good you are, Lance. Well, I just need some practice. This is Tyler with Robbins Contracting. Now you know.
Welcome to my